Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're unboxing a wireless keyboard. So this is a small wireless keyboard, ideal for it's got a built-in trackball, so it's ideal for if you've got limited space, such as in a server rack, or if you have a machine that requires a keyboard at it, you don't have room for a full-size keyboard. In my case, I have a pick and place machine, and my keyboard is located right up on the other side of the machine where it's difficult to access at the best of times. So this one being wireless will be ideal for that situation, particularly with the trackball. Let's open it up and see what we've got. So we've got a manual, wireless mini multimedia keyboard user manual, 2.4 gig. Features up to 10 meters, keyboard and mouse 2-in-1, comfortable scissor key structure, smooth optical sensor trackball controller, quiet scroll wheel, smart power saving mode, supports multi-language, 3 volts, runs on a pair of AA batteries, I believe. I'll put all these specifications in the description anyway. On the other side, how to use. Open up the battery case on the keyboard backside. Please insert 2-piece AA alkaline batteries. Find the mini USB receiver on the right of the keyboard back. Put the mini USB receiver in USB port. Switch the power on. After the keyboard is connected, you can use it freely. This keyboard works for Android, Windows, Mac system. Keyboard will be sleeping mode without using in a few minutes. Press any key on the keyboard to wake it up. Please take off batteries if not used for a long time. Now, I did read somewhere in there to turn it off if you're not using it as well. And there's a low battery feature on it as well, indicator. All right, so let's pull it out and have a look. It's a nice bit of packaging anyway. The box is now empty. So we've got multimedia keys on the back. Oh, sorry, on the side, both sides of it actually. I noticed on the back, it's got this indent, makes it easy to hold with your fingers, ergonomic, so you can use your thumbs to type. There's our USB receiver, battery cover. I've got 2 batteries here ready. There's a button there, a button there. Okay, so we've got a light. I'll plug this into my computer. All right, so it is working. I'm not sure how the sensor works. It's a nice round smooth ball. I can't actually feel it rotating, but it does. The mouse cursor on my screen is moving with it. Scroll wheel, left and right mouse buttons. The button on the top here acts as a right mouse button, so this one would be a left mouse button. And all your other keys, etc. works as expected. So, simple device. I will post on the screen what I paid for it. It wasn't very expensive at all, and I thought it would be ideal for the pick and place machine since I'm running a Windows PC there. And I've hit that top corner button. Don't know that I like that top corner button much. Simple device, inexpensive, not much to it really. Alright, if you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have both Patreon account and a YouTube membership, and you can join my VIP patrons, Go Lucky, Jeff Jerd, Carez Cortini, my builder patrons, Elmerels 45, Andrew Cardone, Agar 69, and my YouTube member Joel Huxwell in helping to support the channel. All my patrons and YouTube members get these videos at least a week early. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or drop into the Discord and ask a question in there. If I can't answer it, someone else might be able to. And we'll see you in the next video.